Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about provisioners in Terraform. Before that, I'm making lot of effort with lot of videos in DevOps tools and services with AWS. So if you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos with a lot of stuff what I'm learning as well. So let's dive into today's topic. Let's dive into provisioners in Terraform. So what is provisioners basically in Terraform? When it comes to provisioners, basically it is for the functionality which is inbuilt one. You are going to run with the scripts or commands or other configurations on your local or remote machines as part of the rows, some resource creations or a destruction. During the time you are going to configure or destroy some resources. So for that, basically you are going to execute some configuration after or before once the your provisioning which is completed. So in simple words, you are going to do some provision, which means some configuration after the resource creation or destructions. I hope you understand what is provision is basically. So when it comes to provisioner, there are three types. So one is local, remote, and file. We already saw local provisioners. So if you not watched those videos, I will give you in the description. You can go and check what is local provisioner so you can understand. In this video, we are going to see about a remote provisioner as well as the file provisioner. So let's look into the topic. I have the script for this already. So when if you go through this script, you can see that I'm going to create two security groups and one EC2 instance, and I have the connection block. So how you can define the provisioners? You have to define with some block with a block name as a provisioner. So you should use this name. Under that, in the quotation, you can mention whether it is a local execution provisioner or remote execution provisioner or it is the file provisioner. Like that you can mention within the block itself. So that is one thing. So here what I have did, I have created one connection block. So once the EC2 instance got created with the security group, I'm going to log in using the connection block with the public IP. So this is the Linux machine. So I am using the user of EC2 in user, and then I'm using the key of PEM. So once I logged into this user, what I'm going to do using, I'm going to use a file provisioner. File provisioner, what it will do, it always copy the file from one source to other destination. Here my source is, it can be my local laptop. So it can be the directory of my local laptop. So under the apps file copy.html, from this source to I'm going to copy into the machine. Under the slash tmt, I'm going to copy the same file. Once the file provisioner's work is completed, next it will look into the remote provisioner, a remote execution. So a remote execution in the sense what it is going to do, once always it will look into the remote machine. When it comes to local provisioner, it will do in your local laptop. So we have already seen that in the video. So when it comes to remote provisioner, once here I have mentioned like a sleep 120 seconds. Why I have mentioned, it may take some time to configure the user data script if I have mentioned something with the Apache installation. So for that I have mentioned to take time of 120 seconds. Wait and pass the time. So once it is passed, then it should be copy using the root user. As a root user, it need to copy the HTML file under slash tmt file copy.html to var www.html. So it is going to execute in your remote machine. So that is the machine of EC2. So it is working after resource creation. This configuration, this provisioning is going to done on your remote machine. So that's why we are calling this as a remote provisioner. So like this we are going to execute. I hope this video is helpful. You may understand about what is a remote provisioner and file provisioner. It's I'm not doing any practical in this part, but my ultimate aim of this video is to make you understand what is a file provisioner as well as the remote execution provisioner. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. And thanks for watching this video.